guys, it's Hunter Purvis out here. We have a crazy tornado. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, you can see my hand. Wait. I think you can see a little bit of that. It's actually pretty gray outside. See? Tornado. And this is Hunter Purvis, just letting you know. Pretty freaking dark. It's purple. It's purple at my house. Look over there. Yeah. But this right here does not look right, and that's a tornado. It's actually spawning. And over there looks worser. Look down there. Yeah. But it's crazy. It's really, really gray. It's like dark gray. Hi guys, this is a real tornado, and seriously, it's said in that in California they're having a tornado right now too. If you guys go on the news, it's still talking about it in my room right now. Oh, look at these plant trees! I can't wait until this really grows, because then we'll have to cut them and then we'll have to turn them into little seeds. So yeah, that's pretty dope right there. Yeah, I might have to go into the basement later. Sirens might go off soon, because it's really bad. And I'm thinking, well, you know, if I don't get into the basement soon enough, you know, I'm probably dead. Well, thanks guys for watching. By the way, just to let you know, I got on Call of Duty Ghost. Oh, got on that. But yeah, it's a tornado. I'm serious. Look, that is really bad. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Till next time. Turn to the fourth side. And I will see you guys later. Bye.